Good day, I'm Tamara Michaela and this is your JIS news for Monday, July 18. Immigration, trade and CARICOM integration were among the major issues discussed in bilateral talks between Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his Trinidad and Tobago counterpart earlier today. The Twin Island Republic's Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley arrived in Jamaica on Sunday for a 4-day official visit.
I'm looking forward to a successful visit, and at the end of it, I'm looking forward to a stronger bilateral relationship between Jamaica and our largest trading partner within CARICOM.
Among other things, Monday's meeting continued negotiations on a framework agreement and the establishment of a joint commission to provide a structured medium for bilateral discussions and cooperation in areas of mutual interest. The Trinidad and Tobago Prime Minister and his delegation are expected to depart the island on Thursday, July 21. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs says it is taking steps to confirm and secure the well-being of Jamaican nationals in Turkey in light of the recent political turmoil in that country. The ministry says contact has been made with all 3 members of a Jamaican delegation who are in Istanbul participating in the 40th session of the World Heritage Committee of UNESCO, and they are safe. Contact has also been made with at least one of a number of Jamaican nationals studying and visiting in Turkey, while the permanent mission of Jamaica to the United Nations in Geneva is seeking to reach out to the others. The Foreign Affairs Ministry says it has also been in touch with its honorary consul in Istanbul, and he has been put in contact with the Jamaicans identified in Turkey so that he can provide consular assistance as may be necessary. In the meantime, the ministry, on behalf of the Jamaican government, has expressed hope that the atmosphere of unrest and uncertainty in Turkey will soon be resolved. Sport Minister Olivia Green says all necessary measures have been put in place to ensure the health of Jamaica's Olympians who will be heading to Rio, Brazil this summer. The minister spoke with JIS News about steps to address things such as the ongoing Zika virus outbreak in that country. She says the Ministry of Health is also in contact with the World Health Organization as they continue to monitor the situation. Minister Grange was speaking on Saturday at the Best Dressed Fun in the Sun Festival. 5 artisan villages are to be established across the island to serve as centralized locations for the production and merchandising of craft items. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says funding has already been identified and design started for the villages. They will be located in Ocho Rios, Falmouth, Montego Bay, Negril and Port Antonio. The one in Falmouth should be completed within 9 months.
What I want to see is for a more organized presentation of our craft and our art. And it becomes a place of joy to visit. And also a decent location for you to peddle your wares and to showcase your creative work.
The ministry is working with the Port Authority of Jamaica and the Urban Development Corporation to establish the artisan villages. Minister Bartlett was speaking at the recent Craft Enhancement Project Awards ceremony. Minister with responsibility for agriculture and fisheries J.C. Hutchinson says private sector investment in the build-out of agro-processing plants is expanding market access for local produce. He was speaking with the JIS News during a recent tour of Grace Kennedy's facility in Hounslow, St. Elizabeth. He said the plant fits well with the ministry's plan to place more focus on the agro-processing or value-added aspect of agriculture.
It is one where it takes in the produce from the farmer and carries it straight to the value chain. And this is what we are saying that we need to have more in Jamaica, where we have more companies like this coming on board, linking with the farmers, getting all their products whereby they have a ready market for their products.
And finally, young people of the Commonwealth are being encouraged to play their part in helping the 53 member states achieve the Sustainable Development Goals set by the United Nations in 2015. The call comes from the Secretary General of the Commonwealth, Patricia Scotland, who was speaking at a town hall meeting held recently at the University of the West Indies.
Do something to make a difference and make sure those Sustainable Development Goals are owned by each of you and delivered by each of you. Because I want us to remember that what each of us does makes a difference.
Baroness Scotland was on the island to meet with the first Jamaican cohort of the Commonwealth's Youth Leadership Initiative 3360. It's a program that equips young Commonwealth leaders and professionals with the skills and the networks to make a difference. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thanks for watching.